As hybrid and multi-cloud become the new data center, choosing the right operating system becomes a very important strategic decision for organizations because that becomes the foundation for your open hybrid cloud. And choosing Linux can be one of the best decisions that you could possibly make. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the world's leading Linux distribution, and it is an intelligent operating system that provides you the flexibility and the consistency that you need for your open hybrid cloud. How does it give you a consistent experience? RHEL configuration, patches, update mechanisms all remain the same wherever RHEL is deployed. The skills learned for on-premise management, they're easily transferable to cloud-based deployments as well and virtual environments as well. And Red Hat Enterprise Linux extends your entire open hybrid cloud infrastructure to the edge across hundreds of thousands of nodes all over the world. So you can create edge optimized operating system images, and you can minimize the kind of interruptions that can be caused by operating system updates. You can transfer system updates much more efficiently, and you can have confidence because of automated health checks and rollbacks. For developers, RHEL can actually help with built-in container tools functionality so that developers can then create and run their Linux containers on the development environment, and then they can seamlessly move these images for deployment directly into a Kubernetes or an OpenShift environment. It's very easy to adopt today for both novices and experts because you have a web console. The web console provides a graphical and a very comfortable management interface so that you can have all the key performance metrics, your security, your system updates, and the service status all readily available for you right at the time of login. You get a lot more value for your subscription because RHEL includes Red Hat Insights, which offers a web-based software service that will allow you to centrally audit and configure all your RHEL systems. And it is super simple to use and to get started with because it is accessible anywhere where you can connect to the web. Red Hat Enterprise Linux takes a very practical three-point approach to addressing security challenges. One is to mitigate, the second is to secure, and the third is from a compliance standpoint. So from a mitigation standpoint, you can configure and manage your security, and you can reduce the risk of a firewall breach before your data, systems, or even reputation is exposed. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux expands vulnerability coverage to remediate the latest threats. You can minimize reboots when you're patching so that you have increased uptime and resilience. You can strengthen the entire supply chain security with secure build processes and analysis, and you can perform vulnerability scanning and remediation of the life cycle from the time of startup. And you have access to applications in a sandbox so that you can prevent exploits from actually being effective. Red Hat also helps to automate the entire operating system security and maintain it over time so that when you're configuring and integrating with your management solutions at scale, you can actually minimize downtime. And it does it by providing multiple layers of security and authentication to defend against various threats. You can centralize the complete identity and access control across your systems and your system administrators. You can implement system-wide customizable cryptographic policies, and you can provide seamless and scaling for your security management and functionality across the hybrid data center and the file systems. And then you can streamline your compliance standards across your organizations with highly regulated environments, security guides, and security policies so that you have a consistent and independently validated and certified solution. As the most deployed commercial Linux distribution in the world, Red Hat Enterprise Linux is certified on hundreds of public cloud and service providers, as well as thousands of other types of software and hardware. So the operating system is the foundation of your architecture. And when you start with an OS that runs anywhere, you can support both your current architecture as well as your future requirements. And building on Red Hat Enterprise Linux can be the most important strategic decision that you would ever take, that will provide consistency across environments, freedom of choice, and stability as things change in the future.